Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purpose only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult a financial professional. Well, here we are. I guess some decent news out of kind of China trade stuff. They're not going to be the aggressor they've decided on trade, and so yet again here we are a morning where things are pretty strong. The Dow's up 0.5%, the Nasdaq's up 0.6, and the S&P is almost up 0.5%. The one thing I'd point out is that IWM, the Russell, which has been kind of the leader, little soft. That's usually a canary in the coal mine. That has me a little nervous about the fortitude of this rally. I don't know that that it's going to be a crazy rally, although who knows? All right. Thursday looked like we were going to be not Thursday. Today's Thursday. Monday and Tuesday looked like we could potentially be have huge up days that then turn around on us. I don't think we're going to do that again, but I would like to see us get a little more juice. I'd like to see this thing get a little more behind it before I'm fully going to believe it. Up 12 just doesn't impress me. We've been up, really just in a 3-point range for the last 20 minutes now. The only difference is the NDX has been a little slowly softer, and the Dow. So kind of interesting. Looking at VIX, it's still 15.5, and we're not really moving that much. I'm not sure why they're trying to hold this thing up this much, but they are, and so we're not seeing the vol smash that many of you look for. Maybe we will see that, but I think you really need to see. Here's what I'll say: is if we can get up 18 or 20 today, you could see VIX really, really take it in the chin. There's a lot of extra juice that got put in for the day and a half holiday that really doesn't need to be there, and there's a lot of motivation, in my opinion, to sell this thing back down. You do have the Friday job report, and tomorrow, which could hold VIX up a little bit. Tariffs still loom large, although I think they're starting to get to the point where they're completely overdone. And I think market participants are starting to figure that one out, that a lot of that is kind of stupid. So, keep an eye on kind of those pieces. Other things to be aware of: oil. Oil's been a huge driver of market. It's up a little bit, but gave away a bunch on Friday and took XLE down with it on Friday. I mean Tuesday. It felt like a Friday. Took XLE down with it, although XLE, right at that 50-day moving average, looks like it's forming itself. All of the individual ETFs are green except for XLU, which would kind of make some sense. TLT bond prices, I am impressed by the ability of bond prices to hold like this. I am super bearish TLT and IEF and these and the like. I think that they need to come off, and they're probably, and by probably I mean certainly a little overdone. TLT all the way back to the 200-day moving average. It's at a, it's right at kind of a 3-month high. So goes to show you why selling stocks because of bonds sometimes not so great. How about Tesla? Ever since they made their production target and yada yada yada, it's been straight down. Kind of fascinating. That's one to watch. And then Micron has some issues in China. They're probably overdone. In fact, they're certainly overdone. It's probably time to take a stab at Micron Tech again and look at some of these chip makers. And we'll go from there. Nice move out of the banks today and a few other things as well that I am watching. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great morning, and I will talk to you soon.